boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. Cool song from legendary The Strokes. Released songs recently, and this is Liar's Remorse. Before we move on with this cool song, I need to highlight my new channel. It's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago, okay? So it's still me playing there on that channel, but I'm playing a full playthrough for you guys. I'm not speaking at all, just show you chords on the screen, you follow along, and you will learn a full song from A to Z. I need your help, guys. Go and subscribe to that channel, link up here, and yes, that is the best way to thank me for the work I'm doing here. So thank you so much for, I appreciate everything you do for me. So thank you so much. Now let's go into this cool Liar's Remorse song. Cape on second to match up with the sound. That's the best scenario for us. We have like 6 chords or so. So let's focus on the chords first. We have E minor first. Goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. A minor, open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have D next. Open D, second G, third B, second E. The B7, which is a bar chord, so place index finger on the second fret, push down 5 strings, all strings except for that last E string in the bass. You don't need that one. And then you need to add 4th D and 4th B. And then we have the C, 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And finally you have the G, and that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. So let's focus on the verse and the strumming. Yes, I'm aware of we have some finger picking things going on here from the chords. Finger picking. And so you hold the chords and you pluck them irregularly from chord to chord like this. I'm gonna show you, okay? I stumbled on the words today. I'm gonna show you the strumming pattern that works, and it kind of holds you for the right timing of chord switches. That is very important. So I'm gonna show you a strumming pattern that kind of keeps everything tied together, and it's played more kind of likely on the chorus than the verse. Yes, I know that, but still you can use that throughout the song to keep it simple. And then once you get comfortable with the chord switches and all that, you can go and hit that finger plucking string style going on there in the verse. So enough of that talk. Now we're gonna focus on the first chord and strumming. E minor is what you need to hold, and then you play like this. Okay, 4 downs, and I like to highlight the 3rd down, okay? So that will be, I play on the higher strings on the 3rd down. And on the other downs, I play on the bass mid area. That's one string around. So let's go into the verse. You're gonna play E minor, 2 strumming rounds, then A minor, 2, D2, and B7, 2. You're gonna play that for 4 full rounds. One round goes like this. Alright, so that's the first verse. Now into the first chorus at 1 minute and 22 seconds in. And what we're gonna play now is the same, of course, strumming, but you're gonna play just once per chord. So now you'll be E minor 1, D1, C1, and G1. Again, 4 full rounds of that chord progression. One round goes like this. And so on. That is the first round. Second round, just repetition, guys. The second verse, play exactly in the same way, and the second chorus exactly in the same way. Then after that second chorus comes a bridge / instrumental parts. What you're gonna play there is the verse play for 2 rounds. So E minor 2, A minor 2, D2, B7 2. 2 rounds of that, and that's a bridge. Then you're gonna jump back into the 3rd and final chorus, and that is played exactly the same way as the previous choruses. And then you have an outro part left that is about 4 minutes and 5 seconds in. You're just gonna switch between the C, 1 down, and D, 1 down. You play then the C, 1 down, and G, 1 down. That's one round. So 1 down on the C, D, C, and G. Play that for 5 rounds, and guess what, guys? You actually managed to play the Strokes' Liar's Remorse. Hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, play tuned.